Today, we are making table numbers for a wedding reception with a golden color theme. We will use a paper doily to decorate the golden card. Cut out the center of the doily. You will need a card rectangle, folded in half. Cut a segment of the doily edge that is long enough to decorate the top of the card. Apply glue to the back of the doily segment. Glue the doily to the top of the folded card. Cut off any doily that overlaps. Draw a table number on a pearlescent card. Cut the number out, using scissors. Glue the number to the center of the gold card. Make as many table numbers as you need. If it helps, you can use a template when drawing the numbers.